The question he wants to know is, what kind of bundle price would you give him for everything?
How much is the dog?
The dog is not for sale. She's not going anywhere.
Oh, this is cool. Okay. Cool. Morning. You got any more shirts like these?
Just whatever's out. I got more items in the garage.
How much you asking for the shirts?
Make an offer. I want you to be happy with the price. That's my #1 concern.
They're your concert shirts.
Let me see.
You got a lot of cool toys in there.
Yeah.
All right, let me keep looking around, see what else is here.
Yeah. Well, we can make a bundle deal.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you.
Yep.
That's not good, right? the Power Ranger thing.
Oh, it's not good?
It's sold for like $15 to make huge. So.
Oh, it's a 15.
Yeah, and they come with have like a witch on top of them.
Gotcha.
I don't think it's there.
How much are your plush?
Sure. He's asking me.
Oh, I'm sorry. Your stuffed animals, how much are they? The stuffed animals? Okay, there are some various prices. Just pick whatever you like and make me an offer. If it's fair for you and me, we got a deal, my friend. I mean, like I was telling him, I want you to be happy with your purchase, okay?
Okay.
That's my #1 concern. So anything you pick out, we'll make sure you're happy with the price.
This Jack over there, he needs to worry, man. He's like, ooh. Ooh. I was afraid you were gonna ask him. Collective? Yeah.
What are these? Spring training tickets. Is that a reseller? Look at this.
That's what I said. It looks like it's like a pawn shop or something, right?
Yeah.
But it looks like he doesn't do online.
Worried about getting in trouble myself. If they want to take you, then excuse my friend. No, I don't want any of us going to jail. That's no fun. That doesn't sound like fun. I never did, but I don't want to go. I'm not trying to go. But you guys all look tough and strong, so I'm thinking you're in the FBI. It wouldn't be far-fetched.
How much are your shoes?
Make me an offer on those. They're pretty nice.
I don't know if I want that one, but for these two, do $10.
Absolutely, and I tell you what, you want to give me 14 and take all 3?
Nah, I'll pass on that one.
Okay.
What do you want on this? I'll give you $1 for that.
Yeah, I want you to be happy.
Cool. Here you go, man.
Thank you. God
You're welcome.
bless. I really appreciate it.
Yep, you too.
Good morning.
Morning. Good
Sadie
morning.
and I are running it over here. It's negotiable.
Is there a map somewhere?
No, we were hoping that they would do that, but the residents decided to donate
Oh, okay.
rather than sell it themselves. So
So
it's just this building and then the next one over there.
that one right there?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Oh, let me start recording.
All
In
right.
this room aren't for sale, but everything here.
Okay.
If you see something that's not marked, just ask me.
Okay.
No, it's not at all.
Rolling chair, yeah, and must have
I didn't see anything.
What that is.
One of the biggest things to look out for when you go to retirement communities is massagers. Massagers can bring really good money on eBay, so always keep an eye out for them and always look them up. Here we go. 33 listed, 27 sold. Almost 100% south rate, yeah. $3. Right.
What have you got? How much is that one?
It's the blue, so is that $3?
Yes,
What are you asking on the watches?
they're marked, but
Oh, I
me
see
an
20,
offer.
30. Okay.
All right.
Good morning.
Good morning. Pokemon.
Good start.
Yeah. What's that shirt underneath? Oh, that's not Pokemon.
SpongeBob.
It did look like Pokemon from a while. Here we go.
What you good on what now, oh, Wu-Tang, nice.
Wu-Tang.
How much are the car mats? $5?
How much are the shirts?
$1.
Buck. Small. You got any more video game stuff? Or is that it?
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, please. Give me $1 for that Wu-Tang shirt. Thanks, man. Do you have any more concert shirts or any more like shirts like this?
That's all I got.
All right. Cool shirt.
How much for the houses?
Distracted me as my backpack.
How much for everything?
How much are they?
Fine, I was really here to look for Kato.
We could split stuff. We could split stuff.
Oh, the whole house part of it too?
It's just more department 56 houses
How much are they?
They're all different prices. They're like $20 about.
Good luck.
$20 up.
Yes, yes.
There's some over right there.
No, in case you never picked. So we didn't have to pull it.
How much are the Disney? How much are the Disney ones?
Mom, how much are your Disney ones?
The question he wants to know is, what kind of bone price would you give him for everything?
The dog is not for sale. She's not going anywhere.
Oh, this is cool.
She's my little old lady.
Oh, because they call me their little old man.
The yapper is locked up because she'll run out the door.
The price on this stuff?
Which ones are you looking at?
That one there.
Oh yeah, that one's just hard for them.
And like,
Did you know what you wanted for Dumbo? Well, I need a price. Dumbo.
$10.
This Dumbo, not the small little one. Oh. 20 for this guy.
And then the Disney department, 56 pieces.
40.
These are 40? Mm-hmm. Are these all 40?
Most of them. She's doing most of them are like half the price of what they were. So these
Okay.
were 85. So
Okay.
give them for 40.
Okay. All right, let me look and
No
do a
problem.
little research here.
Anything under the table is not for sale. It's already sold, and
Okay.
that is already sold right there
Okay.
to these guys right here.
All right. She told me $10 for that. I'm still going through them right here.
Usually,
I'm getting,
Dumbo and
yeah. I'm gonna put these over here.
We also taking cash offers, like if you No.
I'm not working for $5, I'll take it. Okay.
Sending more over here with the stuff over here.
You wanted some of the Disney, but not that.
Yeah, I don't like that.
So these are all 80, so they're all 40. These are 40 each.
Absolutely. Dude, if you don't have to do much, but these always sell good. You get,
and they're already all in the styrofoam and stuff.
yeah. Do you guys have more you guys haven't put out yet?
Not for sale.
Not to sell, okay. What do you guys have for the loose ones? Like the ones that don't have boxes?
Ma, what are you doing with the loose ones that don't have boxes? Boxes go with
was, this is the one we just had. The cha-ching one. I couldn't imagine having all the sounds on all
Did you
of them.
want
It
to
would
see
be
the
like,
house?
just a little overpowering.
These brown ones.
Oh yeah, these are all Disney houses too?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't even notice that.
This was a special collection at the time.
But what are you asking for the loose ones over here? What if I close that? Just take a look at it. I'm gonna probably take the Donald house. 15. Would you do 30 for a lot of those? There's 9 there? Okay, I'll do that. We should be able to get at least $15 to $20 a piece for these loose ones. So we should do really good on this lot. By any chance, do you guys have Christmas Vacation or the Christmas Story? Kept those. It's my favorite.
I used to have
Christmas, that, the village, the Santa Claus village we kept.
It worked. I don't want it.
Imagine I go through that like, nope.
That's okay.
That's cool. Is that the other lady's one too?
No.
Is that his?
No.
Is that's up for grab?
Someone changed their mind on it.
Oh, okay.
That one's 25.
25.
So today, pays my storage unit that I used to have them.
It's a. You say 25 on this one?
Mm-hmm.
Would you just do 4 and even for everything? Cool.
Okay.
This is mine, right?
Yes.
Okay.
That's the empty house and then the little figurines.
400.
She's got a good story to go along with that base, though.
All right. Well, I think we're good to go.
We owe you $10.
No, I'm
No,
still
I
working
owe
on
you
checking
$10.
your items.
Mike, I owe someone $10.
No,
I mean, I can take your $10 if you want to give it to me.
I mean, he'll be waiting for a
we're
while.
all good to go yet.
I'll be waiting for a while.
He'll be waiting.
She gave me a discount on all those loose figures. She also threw that poo in at the very end for me. So we get the entire lot for $400. Now, at first, I thought I had about $1,000 worth of items. Now, after I start looking up all these comps, I think we have over $1,500 worth of Department 56 items. Absolutely insane. What a great score. And the crazy thing is, we went to this yard sale like 11 o'clock in the afternoon. Filmed these yard sales when I was in Orlando at the Trash to Cash Bash. I went out and picked them with Mike the Death Pile Picker and Paul the Philly Flipper. Make sure you guys go check out their videos because they found a ton of crazy stuff down in Orlando as well. And those videos are going to come out real soon. So make sure you check out their channels. Next Friday, February 2nd, Picking and Punching's teaming up with Art of Resale and ADH Dave. We're going to do an 8-hour whatnot. Dave's going to go first. Then I'm going to do a show and then Art of Resale. So make sure you guys check it out. I'm going to give away a Nintendo Wii for free. All you guys have to do is just show up to the show. I'll put a link down in the description down below. I'll have more details next week about that. Make sure you guys check out the Reseller Locker Room podcast. They're on YouTube. I was just a guest this week, and we talk about wrestling. We talk about a little bit of backstory. So check those guys out. Give them a sub. They're only like 10 subs away from 500. So let's get them to 500. But until next time, guys, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.